Hi, in the previous video we have seen how we have selected the intraday stock and we have clearly seen how it outperformed. For this, what are the rules? So, how we can identify the intraday stocks are the best swing stocks for 3 days to 1 week and even for 20 to 30 days. How we can select them? To select the best outperforming stocks for swing trade and for intraday, following are the rules. First of all, the reversal bomb at a previous support. When a price moved a particular high and from there, if it is dropping, normally we see the Fibonacci values at 68 point or 70% or in upwards at 50% Fibonacci levels. Generally, the stock reverses. But in my experience, I have seen sometimes stock drops from 50%, it falls to 68%, and even it sometimes falls to 100% or around 80 to 90%. So, what is the best thing to select the correction period of the stock is over? See, the rule one is whether we see the reversal bomb at the previous support level, like this one. This is the reversal bomb. Next, the most important rule is equal volume drop or equal volume transacted from recent swing top to recent swing bottom. That is, here this is the top and this is the bottom. Here the trend of the stock is reversed. So here it reached the top 970.22 227 K value, whereas the drop is 1.85. So we can consider it as an entry. If it is a double top, then we have to calculate the volume of the both double tops, and we should check whether that equal amount of the volume is dropped at the reversal. That is the most important point. Then volume exhaust. We should check whether we can see a violet candle, like here you see when it reached a top, the volume is exhausted and from there the price dropped. Even this violet candle is followed by a yellow candle, that is nothing but price diversification. A lot of volume has been purchased as the price has moved up here, but from there onwards the price has fallen. So here we strictly follow the price action and we must stick to our stop loss rules. Then if violet candle is not appeared, then we should check for yellow or green candle like this one. Then narrow range resistance. This is the number 4. This is the narrow range resistance. This is the bottom and this is the top. This is the support and this is the resistance. This is the double bottom, we can say, or triple bottom, and this is the resistance. So it must be in a range and that should be a narrow range. Then monthly, weekly and daily RSI must be above 55. Here we can see all these RSI values are above 55 only. Next, volume balance in between buyers and sellers should be 50% from swing top to swing bottom reversal. This is the swing top and this is the reversal, or this is the reversal. So from here to here the volume is balanced. The buyers and sellers volume is balanced. That means the number of stocks delivered to the persons who have bought. So sellers don't have any more stocks, then to sell they must buy some big volume of stocks. There the trend reverses. Then the seventh most important point is positive awesome, that is blue or the blue line like this, or the awesome oscillator must be above the zero line like this, like this. Okay, so these are the rules. So when we are doing the live trading, we don't remember all these rules, and we must be in hurry as the price fluctuating. We may not be checking the rules, and we may not taking the entries according to the rules. That's why I have created an Excel. This is the Excel. See, these are the rules, and if we enter yes or no score, we get a score here. So according to the score, then we can decide whether we should take entry or not. Like, see, this is the stock we have seen today morning. Now the first rule is reversal bomb or reversal at double bottom. So here there is no reversal bomb, but here the average period for top reached in 24 days, and the bottom reached in 32 days. There is no reversal bomb, but we can see a double bottom here. So we can see the double bottom. That's why I'm entering yes. The next one is equal volume transaction from previous swing top to current bottom. This is the previous swing pivot. It has 327 million volume, and the same amount of volume we can see here with a 9% price drop. So the volume is exhausted. So we can enter another S here. Then volume exhaust violet, yellow or green candle. See, there is no violet candle here, but we can see a violet candle at the top. So from here the price has fallen, so there is no violet candle, but here we can see the violet candle, and from here onwards then the price has moved up. So this one here you can see the yellow candle. So we can take entry either on this yellow candle as the double bottom is confirmed, or we can take the entry after this violet candle. That means on the number 9 here. So enter yes. Reversal bomb or double bottom, yes. Okay. Next, narrow range resistance. So this is the narrow range, means the price drop is in between 10% only. The price moved to 11.82% up, and a price dropped to 9.99. This is the narrow range. So I'm entering another S here. Then monthly, weekly, daily RSI 55. You can see all these RSIs are above 55 only. Yes. Then volume balance from swing top to swing bottom. So here this is the top, and this is the bottom. So let's move it here and move it to the bottom. This is the first bottom. Let's see whether the volume is balanced. It is about to balance, but it is not exactly balanced. So let's move it to the next bottom. This is the next bottom. Here the volume is exactly balanced. So enter yes here. The next one is positive awesome blue or above zero line. See, it is above zero line. So another S. So our stock is following all our rules. So that's why we can take an entry here either for intraday or for a swing trade. Let's say if we have taken entry here, then we can move up here. So let's see, for the testing purpose, let's assume that we don't get the reversal, this one, and we don't get the volume balance. See, 80. Still we can take entry, but if we get score below 75, then it is not an entry. If we get the score above 75, then only we can consider it as an entry. This is an entry. That's it. So this is the way we have to take entry, and now let's see how it has performed. And if let's assume that we have taken entry today here at the opening price, when the price is opened above this resistance, and we kept a stop loss of 357, and that is the 3 points below the resistance. Then how it has performed and where we should exit. So for this, let's move this to 9:15. Now let's move to 15 minutes time frame. See, this is the, here we can see this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So from here the price has moved up, and here we got a sell signal, but actually the price has dropped from here. Even the grid zone is appearing. Now let's move to 5 minutes time frame. I won't prefer this because we are not getting proper signals here, but instead we can move to 3 minutes time frame. See, this is the starting point. Here let's assume you have taken entry on closing of this candle above 3 at 366. We have taken entry and it is retested. The support is retested, and the price is moving up in a 3 minutes time frame. Then it moved to 384.70 high. Then the price has fallen. We can exit at this triad, but here also a triad formed, so, and here also the triad formed. So in such case, the main thing is we must wait for the support must be retested. Here the retest has done, then the price is moving up. So even here also we can see the grid zone, so that's why just stay. And here the grid zone has disappeared, so from here onwards we must be cautious whether we can exit here, but it got a support from here, then it moved up, then a double top is created approximately at the same price here. Now this is the point where we should exit. Here the resistance is created, then here we can exit, that is at 380 we should exit. And now we can take entry here. We can take entry here when the triad is formed, or we can take entry when we got a buy signal here. So from here onwards it moved nowhere. So tomorrow maybe this price will be retest, because you can see a violet candle in 3 minutes time frame. So this will be retested, and or this support will be retested, that is 370 will be retested, and the price will move up. In 15 minutes also, here you can see, we can see a violet candle at 2:30 time frame, and in 15 minutes the price is moving up. So probably tomorrow the price will move up, but retest will definitely happen. At the closing we can see in yellow and green candles, after followed by violet candles. So definitely tomorrow the price should move up. In daily time frame also it is a clear indication that it will move up. So the most important point is whether we can take entry here, or we can take entry when we see the grid zone, grid signal. That is a very important thing. That's it. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.